for me, I want to tell a quick story about a new referral partnership that we're developing. But I kind of stopped talking about marketing in our practice and started to replace it with relationship building. And it made me feel a lot better about it. And so when I say that, I think a lot of us would say, I like to build relationships with people. I like to have friends. I like to have community around me. Well, then go build community around you. Go build relationships with people. And oh, by the way, I have the ability to solve problems for you. Like that's a different mindset that I think we have in our practice that's different than like going and handing out business cards. I hate handing out business cards too, but it was really funny. I hired a new guy who his specialty is working with barbell athletes and CrossFitters, and I don't do that, so we've never really had any big relationships with CrossFit boxes. And so we identified all the CrossFit boxes that are close to us, and we started to go and just stop by and ask questions about them. And we went over to this place. It's called CrossFit Mob. And the first interaction that we had with them was so funny because CJ, the owner over there, or one of the owners, is like, oh yeah, we've networked with some people before, and none of them ever, no one really cares about like what they have to offer. I was like, no, I'm not trying to ask you to send us clients. I heard good things about you guys, and I was actually curious if I could buy a package of ortho sessions with you guys. And all of a sudden his face changed, and he's like, oh yeah, like how much would it be for me to buy 10 classes with you guys? And he's like, oh, it's $150. I was like, okay, here you go. I want Tyler to come 10 times. And through that, now all of a sudden we have a relationship that's forming. And Tyler's gone multiple times to this gym. After 3 or 4 times, they've interacted, and he's like, hey CJ, I would love to just show you what we do at the clinic. Like, come in for a session. I'm happy to do that for you. So CJ comes in. Guess what he asked for yesterday after his session? Business cards and how to refer people. Did I ever ask for it? Nope. But I built a relationship with him, and I showed that I cared about his business and him. And now all of a sudden he's like, how can I tell my people to come see you guys? And so flip the mindset of I am on a marketing mission to I'm on a relationship building mission. And now do you feel better about building relationships than you do about marketing? End result's exactly the same. I just think that for me, it's more palatable.